Okay, here I have a sound formula by Paiste Power Ride. It's a 20-inch. I want to say this is a vintage cymbal. I don't know much about these, but this is surely awesome, in great condition, slightly used, hardly any stick marks on it. I think maybe it's gotten a good cleaning on it or something. It's definitely not a new cymbal, but in great shape. No keyholing, no cracks, no dents, nothing like that. Just an awesome cymbal. See all this stuff? Drums, hardware, heads, cases, rims, and a lot more. Tobin's bargain basement. I got all this stuff and I need to unload it. Check it out at tobinwagstaff.com.